ready for the road and everything else out there for me because I had a good training here at Career Tech.
They make you feel at home. They really do.
I'll take you out on the road, teach you the proper shifting techniques, proper way to make your turns, how to watch your mirrors, how to watch for traffic.
It's a great atmosphere. All the people here care about you.
And actually, when I graduated, I had a job waiting on me.
Like I said, one of the best experiences I ever had as far as training.
When you come here to Career Tech, you're going to learn how to drive the truck the right way.